Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jeremy Rosadinho. In this video, we're gonna talk about the introduction to multimedia. Stay tuned because this is gonna change the way you see digital content. The introduction to multimedia course or lesson, you're not just learning definitions, you're learning how to understand, create, and evaluate all those media elements. It's not you the foundation to know how text and visual works together, how audio and video affect emotions, and how interactivity can keep people engaged. Without that introduction, we'd just be guessing how to use multi effectively. And in today's world, that's not enough. Why does this matter for students, professional, or even casual user? There are four types of this. Number one, better communication. You learn how to deliver your message more clearly. Number two, digital skills. In a tech-driven world, multimedia skills open doors for jobs in content creation, overseeing education, and entertainment. Number three, creativity boosts. Knowing how to mix different media can make your project more dynamic and eye-catching. Number four, critical thinking. You start to recognize what makes you good media and what's just noisy online. For example, think of your favorite YouTuber or influencer. Their content isn't random, it's planned with visual, audio, and text all working together. Learning multimedia basics helps you to do the same. Multimedia is exactly evolving from 2D image to 3D, from regular video to VR or AR. An introduction to multimedia gives you the building blocks so you can adapt